Hello, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the course. Some of you I see have already completed the quiz, so thank you for that. Um, but I just wanted to do a quick course navigation for you and show you everything that is easy to find. Everything is accessible over here on the left-hand column that you can find here with the course. You can start with the Home tab. The Home tab is just that. It takes you back to the course home and lets you see everything that's in there. I find it's easiest to navigate through the Modules tab because that takes you directly to each individual module, and I've populated everything in there for you. You can see the syllabus. The syllabus is in Word form right here, where you can find everything you need to know. It fills in and populates. You can also download it there. You can also, if you click on the syllabus tab over here, it takes you to sort of a rudimentary one. This has dates populated in when everything is due, and you can find stuff. Now, I will tell you, when we get to modules 2 and 3, it looks like some of the dates are a little bit messed up. I will be fixing those. I think the course was set to be an the dates thought it was accelerated, and it isn't. So I need to fix some of those dates. So I will be doing so. But if we go back to this modules tab, let's just quickly look through module 1. If you click on this document, there's one of these for each module, and this is very beneficial. And basically all it does is it tells you what the chapters it's over, each quiz and which chapters they are over, and then what the exam is over. Doesn't seem like a lot of information there, but trust me, it will help you tremendously. As we go back to the modules, you'll be able to see everything that's in there. But first, let's move on down through. If you have bought course access for an online session, you can access that through here. This is the link that takes you to McGraw-Hill Connect. We're doing all of our assignments in Canvas, not in Connect, but if you have the e-text, this is how you can access that. As we move down, under the modules tab, we have the introductory quiz. This has to be completed by the 27th. Again, thank you to those who have already done it. And this is your attendance for the course to show that you are in the course and being active. Then as we do the modules, everything in here, it looks like I need to reorder some of these things because some of them are out of order. And they will change with their due dates when they become and when they're due. Sorry, that other video that I just finished popped up. So you will find in here everything that you need to do, but let's look at something here. For example, you have a polar bear discussion. This indicates a discussion topic. Right above it, you find the document you need to read. Same thing for the deer discussion and the deer document. So, and the biomass is burning is a little bit different. You click on the discussion topic and it takes you into it, and you can access the article right inside there. So the discussions either have an auxiliary article that goes with it, or in that case, it's right in there with it. There's also a study guide. There are PowerPoints for each of them. And then we have quizzes and an exam, and you have some projects that go along with them too. I will be rearranging these dates as we go along. Modules 2 and 3 are exactly the same as 1. It has the document that starts out here. And then you have stuff that's due. Some of these dates, again, are a little bit messed up. Also with this one, there's a video to watch that goes along with engineering food. Then module 3, same thing. We have the module, and you have some information in here. You have PowerPoints. We have discussion topics. And we have quizzes and a test. So there's also a link here to another video about water issues in Kansas, which was a scholar presentation that I gave. Final is down here. And again, the dates will change on some of these things. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of it. You can also come over here through grades, and you can access your grades through this tab. And if you click on it, once you get in there, it takes you to everything. I do not make you use Lockdown Browser because some of the things get messed up. I use Safari, but some people have told me they have problems with Safari. So some people have better luck using Google Chrome or Firefox. Whichever you do, just make sure that you keep up with the dates. And if you have problems with getting stuff in on time, please contact me ahead of time. Thanks, and hope you have a good semester.